Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Today I'm presenting you a Scout 215 Dorado on brokerage. The seller of this boat, it's a rare scenario. Really didn't use it that much. Comes in from out west and we put the boat in for him for a week or two. He uses it and then we take it, put it back in storage again for him. The boat is very well maintained. It's got a lot of nice features. You'll see in the pictures all the storage it has. This boat is unique in the sense it has this seating, the back-to-back seating. It's really a great, it's a boater's boat, this boat. This seat can lay down flat. It is equipped with the 200 Mercury outboard, which gives you the best power for this boat. It's great for water skiing. This seat folds out. You can fish on this boat. It has a live well and rod holders throughout. Ski pylon here goes in. It's just really a good boat. It has under 36 hours, just under 36 hours on this boat. Very comfortable. Nice home seat. The bolster does, the thigh rise flips up like that. This seat here, aft facing seat, provides a lot of storage underneath. It's just a really nice boat. Like I said, that seat folds out. Undergunner rod holders here. And this seat gives you a lot of comfort as well as aft facing and forward facing seat, and it will lay flat as a lounge. In-floor storage. There is no head on this boat, but you have a lot of storage in that area. Comes with a full cover, a bow cover and a cockpit cover. Unique to this, the owner had it made custom. You'll see the little plastic snap here. There is a dash cover. So if you were using it for the day and you didn't feel like putting the whole cover on because it's a nice day, but you want to protect your dash, it has an individual dash cover for that. So it's really a great boat, great laid out boat, and it's a Scout. Nothing rides like a Scout. If you have any interest in this, feel free to give me a call. My name's Jim Ferg. You can see the boat online at MarineMax.com. Give me a call, 609-678-6622. Thanks.